A stall cell is a pair of swirling pockets of air called vortices that form when a wing has stopped increasing in lift, better known as stalling. These structures could have a large effect on aircraft control or through other applications such as wind turbine design, but are not well understood. For one thing, it is hypothesized that stall cells will form on swept wings, but unlike on straight wing counterparts, these stall cells should convect along the wing. Flow-over stall cells have never been seen on these types of wings, requiring experimentation. To find and measure these stall cells, we constructed 2 wings with integrated pressure measurements that could take over 12,500 samples per second. We conducted 3 rounds of testing to verify all of our systems functioned, and also to demonstrate that they would be capable of detecting stall cells. Through this process of experimentation, we found that stall cells existed on the swept wing between 8 to 17 degrees angle of attack, and found that it convected along the wing at a frequency range of about 40 to 90 hertz. We verified that these were stall cells by measuring their wavelength and how the frequency changed with airspeed. While merely showing that stall cells form on swept wings is not a world-changing discovery, it will lead to future research that may uncover improvements in aircraft design. We would like to extend a special thank you to our 3 main mentors throughout this project, Dr. Owen Williams, Dr. Ed Habtor, and Dr. Alvar Sainz Otero.